Happy Monday. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Join me. Makeup Monday. Hello beauties, welcome to Hottie Dottie New Jersey MUA. Happy Monday. Today we're going to talk about makeup brushes 101. I think it's very important you know what to use, how to use it, and when to apply. Stay tuned. This brush that I have in my hand is called an angled brush. This is perfect for bronzers and blushes. It's a flat angle brush. This is a perfect brush to make up your face seamlessly. Please don't get it mistaken. You have an angled and then you have the flat brush. This brush is a face flat brush. This is good for blending cream or liquid products into your face, such as your forehead or your cheeks. This brush is a round brush. This brush is good for buff powder foundation application or for blending mineral products onto your skin. This brush is my favorite brush. This brush is good for concealing under your eyes and also between your nose, hard reach places. This brush is called a tapered brush. Everyone should have one. This brush is very easy, simple, and quick. This is called an angled eyeshadow brush. This brush here is called a blending brush, a blending eyeshadow brush to be specific. This brush is good for blending different colors of eyeshadows if you like. This brush is a concealer brush. This brush is good for concealing. However, I use the tapered brush that we discussed earlier, which is this one here, that gets under your eyes real good and between your nose. So either one works, but this is the one I prefer. This brush is called a detail brush. This brush is good for making creases when you want to do your eyeshadow. Also, I use this for different shapes that I like to make. This brush is called a classic detail brush. This brush I like to use for my base color. So if I have brown, I like to put my brown and shade it in, as well as with other colors on top of my base color. So this is awesome. This is a precise brush. This is a angled detail brush. Both of these brushes I like to use for under my eye or the corner. So this I would use for eyeshadow, if any, under my eye. This one I would use for the corner of my eye. This brush is an eyeliner brush. This brush is a powder brush. However, I call it the fan brush. This helps me highlight my cheekbones. The brushes I used in this video today are called Best Hope Professional Makeup Brushes from Amazon. They're easy to clean, inexpensive, and as a makeup artist, I have to keep a ton on hand. Also, you can use Morphe brushes as well for this specific taste. Next week, we're going to discuss on how to clean your makeup brushes. I currently have a video out on how to clean your beauty blenders. It's very important that you clean your beauty blenders and brushes before next use. I hope this video could be informative and helpful for anyone using makeup brushes on how and when to use them. I will be adding a link in my bio in regards to the Amazon products I use that's inexpensive for everyday wearers. Until next week.